How to change username on Snapchat twice a year. So first is you have to go to your Snapchat application. Here on the left side, you'll see your profile. And under your profile, it will lead you here. And on the upper right, you will see the settings icon. You just have to tap on that. And then here you could change your username if you tap on this. Snapchat has this one rule and you could only change it once a year. So if you want to change it again, then all you have to do is you could go to your browser. Go to your browser and open Snapchat support there. Now, after clicking on Snapchat support, it will look like this. So just tap on contact us, and then here you have to submit a request. So tap on I need help with Snapchat feature, then tap on settings, and then it will actually ask another question. What do you need help with? So click on other. Then here you have to fill out these questions, your username, your email, and description, and just say that you want to change your username again in the same year. So all you have to do is after filling that up, you have to confirm that you're not a robot and then submit, and then wait for 24 hours for Snapchat community to help you with your problem. So basically that is how you change username on Snapchat twice a year. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.